We've got some big news here at AROS Welding. We are having a moving sale. We are moving the store to South Dakota, to Mid-State Welding's shop, my brother's shop in South Dakota. And we need your help in doing so. We need to lighten our load, so we're offering you 50% off of all of the shirts and hoodies at aroswelding.com, 50% off, and 35% off on our hats and candles. I'm not sure if they're 35 or 50%, but you don't need a discount code. Just put the stuff in your cart, go to hit checkout, and the discount will already be applied on all of these items here. So head on over there to aroswelding.com and take advantage of this good deal. The last day to take advantage is March 6th. For updates on the move, make sure and get on our email list at aroswelding.com, or you can text the word SHOP to 405-643-7176, and we will send you updates at those two places. Thanks for all your support. We'll catch you in South Dakota.